After login, you will be able to see dashboard. You can sweep on dashboard to switch pages. Now, press New Receipt button. Type item code or item name to search and select. Or you can search the product using item button. If you want to give an item discount, press discount button and enter the amount. If you give employee commission, press employee button and select. If you have customer, you can select by pressing customer button. Now, from the payment option, you can take payment by cash or by card. Fill the amount and press OK. To save the record, press Save button. And you are done. Now, back to the dashboard and check end of day report. Zoom the report and check. Hope you enjoy the tutorial.